Hey my dear friends, are you ready to turn your dreams of wealth into a reality? Because today, I bring you 20 incredible businesses that promise to make you millionaires by 2025. These are real businesses with real potential for real people like you and me who want a more prosperous future. Let's discover together how to become the tycoons of tomorrow. Let's start with a topic that's on everyone's lips: cryptocurrency. Are they a bubble about to burst or the master key to financial freedom? The important thing is that cryptocurrencies are here to stay, and although they have their risks, like any investment, they also have huge potential to generate profits. The key is to research, learn, and start small. Have you ever dreamed of being your own boss? With e-commerce, it's possible. Creating an online store has never been easier. From platforms like Shopify to social networks like Instagram, the possibilities are endless. You can sell anything from clothes to food, crafts, or online courses. The important thing is to find a niche market and have a good digital marketing strategy. Did you know that you can earn money while taking care of the planet? That's right. Renewable energies are the future and also an excellent business opportunity. From installing solar panels on houses to creating clean energy companies, the possibilities are endless. In this chapter, I'll tell you how to ride the green wave and generate a positive impact on the world and your pockets. Can you think of an idea for an app that could revolutionize the world? This is the time to make it happen. The mobile app market is constantly growing. In this chapter, I give you some tips to turn your idea into a successful app. And who knows, maybe the next time you download an app, it will be yours. It's no use having the best product in the world if nobody knows about it, right? That's where digital marketing comes in. Social media, SEO, online advertising. The digital world offers endless tools to promote your business. In this chapter, I give you some tips to create an effective digital marketing strategy and attract more customers. Looking for a business with less risk and a proven formula? Franchises are the answer. From fast food restaurants to clothing stores, gyms, or beauty salons, there are franchises for all tastes and budgets. In this chapter, I tell you everything you need to know about the world of franchises. Investing in real estate has always been one of the safest and most profitable ways to grow your money. In this chapter, I give you some tips to invest in real estate like an expert. Do you have years of experience in a particular sector? Don't let that knowledge go to waste. Become a consultant and help other companies achieve success. In this chapter, I give you some tips to become a successful consultant and attract clients willing to pay for your experience. Are you fluent in another language? Do you play a musical instrument? Can you cook like an angel? Share your knowledge with the world and earn money in the process? Platforms like Udemy or Teachable allow you to create and host your courses, reach a global audience, and generate passive income. In this chapter, I give you some tips to become the next online education gurus. From ecological agriculture to hydroponics or aquaponics, there are many ways to produce food sustainably and meet the growing demand for fresh and healthy products. In this chapter, I present some of the most interesting options and give you some tips to get started in the world of sustainable agriculture. From gyms and yoga centers to nutrition services or psychology, there are many ways to help people live healthier and happier lives. In this chapter, I present some of the most profitable options and give you some tips to start a business in the health and wellness sector. From mobile payments to peer-to-peer lending, cryptocurrencies, or investment management, fintech is transforming the way we manage our money. In this chapter, I present some of the most promising fintechs and give you some tips to start a business in this constantly evolving sector. From developing web and mobile applications to creating custom software for companies to working in artificial intelligence or virtual reality, the possibilities are endless. The important thing is to master different programming languages and stay up to date with the latest technologies. In this chapter, I give you some tips to become a successful software developer and find work in this booming sector. From hotels and restaurants to travel agencies or tour guides, there are many ways to work in this dynamic sector. In this chapter, I present some of the most interesting options for working in the tourism and hospitality sector, and I give you some tips to stand out in this competitive market. From transportation and warehousing to inventory management or shipment tracking, logistics services are essential for the proper functioning of international trade. If you are organized, methodical, and have problem-solving skills, this may be the perfect sector for you. In this chapter, I present some of the most in-demand areas within logistics and give you some tips to start a business in this constantly growing sector. From blogs and social media to podcasts, YouTube videos, or streaming music, there are many platforms where you can share your talent with the world and generate income. The important thing is to find your niche market, create original and quality content, and connect with your audience. In this chapter, I give you some tips to become successful content creators and make a living from your passion. From cleaning homes and offices to industrial cleaning or special event cleaning, there are many options to start a business in this sector. The important thing is to offer a quality service, be responsible, punctual, and of course, have good cleaning skills. In this chapter, I give you some tips to set up your own cleaning company and make it a resounding success. From vegetarian and vegan restaurants to organic food stores or healthy home delivery services, there are many ways to meet this growing demand. In this chapter, I present some of the most interesting options within the healthy food sector and give you some tips to start a business in this booming market. From private security for events and companies to home security systems or remote surveillance, there are many ways to start a business in this sector. In this chapter, I present some of the areas with the highest demand within security services and give you some tips to start a business in this constantly growing sector. From ecological and vegan clothing brands to secondhand stores or clothing rental platforms, there are many ways to start a business in the world of sustainable fashion. The important thing is to offer quality products with attractive designs and sustainable materials, and know how to reach an increasingly aware public. In this chapter, I present some of the most interesting options within sustainable fashion and give you some tips to start a business in this booming sector. And there you have them, my dear friends. 20 businesses with a future for you to become the tycoons of tomorrow. Remember that success doesn't happen overnight, but with effort, dedication, and a good dose of ingenuity, anything is possible. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video with more tips to succeed in life. Goodbye.